This is a review of the Century Original WAVEMASTER Heavy Punching Bag that we're going to be doing a review about. In this review, I'm going to share to you guys about my honest thoughts regarding about this heavy duty punching bag. So I own this heavy duty punching bag for over 5 years now, and within those 5 years, this is how it looks like from the sun exposure, from the rain. It's been outdoors, and this is how it looks like. One thing I love about this heavy duty punching bag is the heavy duty, the durable construction that it has. And what I mean by that is that it still looks completely like how it is when I bought it. The color still looks the same. Maybe got a little bit of dull since it was outdoors, and you can see that there's no rips or tears, which is a huge plus. The material of this is really high quality. Like, I use this for kickboxing, for heavy duty punching, and this right over here, this is what it looks like. No rips, no tears. And I do also want to note and let you guys know that this weighs, without the water or sand, it's like 20 pounds. But if you add the water, the sand, or anything like that, then the weight, it becomes around 270 pounds when you fill it up. And that's how it is when it, fill up with the water and the sand. But that's how you do it for the base. You're going to have to fill up either water or sand, so it's your preference to choose which one. And one thing I love about it is that it does offer a stable base, and it's like a 24-inch diameter base where you can put sand or water as your preference. And this also is a portable design, so you can move around with you everywhere. And right now I don't have any water or sand, so it's very easy to move it around. So I plan on putting it in my room, and I'll be probably using it over there. And it's also one thing I also love about this heavy duty punching bag is that it's also adjustable height settings. So you could customize your training with the 7-inch height options. It ranges from, you got from 47 inches to 68 inches. So this right over here is the height that is right now. So it is sitting about at 68 inches, and you could also make it go down to 47 inches. It depends on your height. If you are like over 6 feet tall, I would definitely recommend the 68 inches. If you're a little bit smaller, then you could go down to 47 inches, which is also good as well too. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that this heavy duty punching bag, I've been using this for the past 5 years. This has been holding up fine. You can see on the bottom that there's a base right over here where you could fill it up with water. So you could choose to either put water or sand, it's your preference, but I've been using water and it's been, holding up very fine. But other than that, the quality of this material of this heavy duty punching bag, you see there's no rips or tears at all either. And overall, if you're looking for a punching bag for your training, for your martial arts, kickboxing, or you just want a punching bag that, to have in your home, then this right over here is by far one of the best heavy duty punching bags you could get, considering that my unit itself has been outdoors from the sun exposure and from the rain. And this is how it still looks like. It's still, no rips, no tears. It looks absolutely perfect. Just, looks a little bit dull since it was outside, but other than that, it looks just, exactly like the day I bought it. And overall, I would definitely recommend this product if you are looking for a training martial arts heavy duty punching bag. Then this right over here is by far one of the best heavy duty punching bags that you could get.